Namaste. In this video, we are going to discuss about we are going to start the chapter coordinate geometry. See, if you want to find the position of the point, we need two axes, two reference axes. That is, suppose this point is there. Where is this point? To represent this point, we need two axes. Horizontal axis we are calling it as horizontal line, we are calling it as x-axis, and the vertical line we are calling it as y-axis. Now on this x-axis, here this point, suppose it is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now suppose this point is around here, this is there, suppose. Now see, the distance of the point from the y-axis. This is nothing but the x-coordinate. The distance from the y-axis to the given point, we are calling it as x-coordinate, and the distance to the point from the x-axis, we are known it as, this one is y-coordinate or ordinate. This is x distance is what? 2 units. So this point is represented as a 2, y is 3. This is x coordinate. This distance we are calling it as x coordinate, and this distance we are calling it as y coordinate or ordinate, we can call. Here suppose consider 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Now this is the point A, you take it off. Now another point, first I am going to write this one as 1, 2, 3, 4, and here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. If I consider the point, suppose 3, 3 I considered. 3, 3. Now here the point is 3, 3, and this is the point B. Now what is the distance between A and B? What is the distance between A and B? Do it again. What is the distance between A and B? Now see here, if I am drawing a vertical line over there, then A, this one point, let me see, A, B, C will give you a right triangle. By using the Pythagorean theorem, we can find out the distance between A and B, right? Suppose in the next one, I am taking 2 points on x-axis. Like this one is origin O, both the x-axis and y-axis will meet at the point origin O. Now this one is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, and here it is 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now I consider the point which is lying on x-axis. The point which lies on x-axis is in the form of 2, 0, and the point which is lying on the y-axis we can consider it as 0, y or 0, 4, suppose depending upon the values. Now another point I am considering it as 4, 0, this is B. What is the distance between A and B? You can clearly say that one. OB is 4 units, OA is 2 units. So the distance between OB equal to 4 units and OA equal to 2 units. The distance between AB, if you want to find out, means AB equal to OB minus OA. This is equal to 4 minus 2. This is equal to 2 units. You can find it out. Right? Suppose those 2 points are lying on the y-axis. On both the points are lying on the y-axis. Like this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. One point, let it be, this one is B point, this is 0, 6, and another point I am considering it as 0, 2. Then what is the distance between, name this one point as A. What is the distance between A and AB? This is clearly we can understand here. This one is 6 minus 2 units, this is 4 units, right? Suppose if the points are either lying on the x-axis or lying on the y-axis, we can find out the distance between those 2 points also. Clear now? Next, in the next video, we are going to find out the distance between those 2 points which are not lying on the x-axis or y-axis. Clear? Thank you.